In this video tutorial, we'll walk through the process of connecting DroneBlocks for iOS with Tello. By default, the iOS version of DroneBlocks supports the DJI GPS-based drones. This is the Phantom, Mavic Pro, Spark, Mavic Air, and Inspire series. Those blocks on the left are specific to those drones. What we need to do is load the Tello-specific blocks, so I'll click the blue three-line icon, also known as the hamburger icon in the top right. We'll make sure to tap Connect to Tello. And it's important, once again, to have a valid internet connection during this process so that these block categories can load on the left. You'll notice the takeoff and the flip blocks. The flip blocks are specific to Tello, so everything is looking good here. And I will go to the top right and tap Connect to Tello. At this point, you want to make sure to power up Tello so that it's broadcasting its Wi-Fi network. What I'll do now is double tap the home icon on my iOS device, and we'll go to our Wi-Fi networks. We should see that the Tello network is now broadcasting. I will select that and give it just a few seconds to establish that connection. Double tap to go back to DroneBlocks, and now we can tap the blue connect button, and we'll make sure that we know the connection is valid. We can see the battery percentage in the top left, and I will just execute a basic takeoff and land mission, go back to the hamburger icon, and launch the mission. That's an overview of connecting DroneBlocks to Tello for iOS.